Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study mathematical economics effectively. Begin by building a strong foundation in microeconomics and macroeconomics. This initial understanding will provide context for the mathematical models you'll encounter. Next, focus on mastering essential mathematical concepts like multivariable calculus and linear algebra. These are the building blocks for advanced economic analysis, so dedicate ample time to them. To truly excel, you'll need a solid grasp of several key mathematical areas. Calculus, including differentiation and integration, is fundamental for understanding marginal concepts and dynamic processes. Linear algebra is essential for solving systems of equations and analyzing input-output models. Furthermore, optimization theory, which involves finding maximums and minimums, is central to modeling economic agents' decisions, such as profit maximization or utility maximization. Simply knowing the math isn't enough. You must apply it. Regularly work through problem sets from textbooks and online resources. Try to connect the mathematical concepts to actual economic scenarios, perhaps by analyzing simple data sets. Discussing challenging problems with classmates can also deepen your understanding. Aim for at least 3 to 5 hours of dedicated practice each week to solidify your skills. Once you have a strong foundation, you can delve into more advanced topics. Consider studying dynamic systems, which involve how economic variables change over time, or game theory, which models strategic interactions. Econometrics, combining statistics with economic theory, is also a valuable area. Continuous learning, perhaps through academic papers or specialized online courses, will keep your knowledge current and expand your expertise in this fascinating field.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.